Guys, welcome back to the tutorial of bitstreamio.com. So in this tutorial, you will be learning about the variables. So variables are the containers for storing the data value. So what does it mean? So first we will be telling about the syntax. Okay. So coming to the syntax, what does this type mean? Type is nothing but the data type which you will be giving. For example, string, integer, or the character. And the variable name. Variable name is given for the variable. Okay. Such as like X or name, anything you can give. Any name. Okay. And the equals to operator is used to assign the value. Okay, assign the value to the variable. By the way, what is the value? So value is nothing but some data that you will be given over here. Okay, so just we'll take one practical example. Okay, one program, and I'll be telling you. So here, what is the example that they have given? That is, create a variable called name and type string and assign it to the value join. Okay, so what they are telling, we need to create a variable name called as John, and the type should be string. Okay, so just I'll show you the example that is. So here I have taken. So I'll erase this. So I have taken one variable. Okay. So what we have to do is, that is, we'll be taking one variable string type, and I'll be assigning the name name that should be equals to John. Okay. So this is the data type and this is the name which we have given for that. And here the some data we are passing. So I'll also print and show name. And if I run, see, I'll be able to print it. Okay. And coming to the another example. So what is so here again they have told to create uh, the variable called as my number, and the data type should be an integer, and we need to assign the value called 15. So I'll just open it and I will take integer and I'll make it as my num, and I'll be assigning the value of 15. Okay. So how to print this? By just calling this variable name. Okay. So if I print only the variable name, you will be able to print. Okay. And also you can assign, see, I've taken only in text the variable name and I'll be giving 20. Okay. Or else I can only give it like this, and I can also laterally assign like this. Okay. You can also do this. So when I print X, it will get you 20. Okay, the output will be 20. So that is our next thing. That is that what I am telling, you can also declare a variable without assigning the value and assign it later. So this is what it means. Okay, so this is what it means. So you can first declare it. See here, you can first declare it, and then you can assign it. sign the later. Okay. So this is what we have done here. So I think you are cleared over here. So what suppose if you don't want to redeclare or anything? So at that time we'll be using the final. So there is one concept called final variable. If you don't want others or yourself to override or override the value, existing value, at that time you will be using the final keyword. Okay. So this will make the variable final or constant, which means you cannot unchange. You can only read the value. Okay. So I'll just give an example. Okay. See here, I have made the variable as final using the final keyword. Okay. Using the final keyword, I have made the variable as final. And if I reinitialize it, I'll not be able, I'll be getting the error. So I'll also show that. So here, if I come, see, I'll directly initialize this or let it be. I'll make this as final. And see, if I try to override this, 30, if I try to override this and if I print, that is num, I'll be getting an error. See, I'm getting an error. Unresolved compilation error. You must assign it before since it is a final variable. Okay, see here, the final local variable number cannot be assigned. Okay, so I remove this and if I directly give here 30, it will change. Okay, so it will be changing here. Done, right? So the final variable concept is also clear. So in your next class, you will be learning about the data types. Thank you, guys.